Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines. And we're off on the slippery shuffleboard. Headed into the duct tape drawbridge of doom. We'll test even the most skilled drivers, but he handles it with ease. Down the transition, needs a little speed up the hill. Fix the landing with just enough room to spare. Remember folks, name of the game, don't fall into lava. Across the ball again. Oh, a lot of people struggle there, but he makes it look easy. Into, gets a little hung up, but he recovers into the 90-degree box turn. This is where things get hairy, folks. Gets up on the box, into the log roll. He hangs onto the log roll. Off the chairs. Your chair can't with speed. Hits the ramp. Over this chair. Down the table. Down the ramp. Yeah! We're DudePerfect and welcome to RC Edition. Let's go!
DudePerfect.
This is running on water. Here goes nothing. Full speed! Go, go, go. Okay, halfway. Halfway there. Go. Go! Come on, don't slow down, little buddy. Don't slow down, little buddy. Yes! Let's go!
That was a hydroplaner, people.
Boys, it worked. Should we try your truck next?
Hydroplane, my actual truck.
Yeah, I'm saying, should we take your real truck across the water?
No, no.
This is the high-speed pass-through. Could get sketchy. Woo! Very nice.
Yeah. Hard. And I personally appreciate that.
This would be my body. How's this for an idea? Dart on a car, pop a balloon.
I don't know why I popped that. Gotta blow another one up. Here we go.
Let's go, baby! Dude, are you kidding me?
That was a dart popper.
Howdy, folks. We call this the up and down. I'll jump it up, and I'll jump it down.
Let's go, baby!
Woo! Beautiful!
Give me that remote, baby.
All right, dude, here we go.
Next stage.
Get it! Sketchy, but it's time to jump it down. 3, 2, 1, go! Full speed! Landing, baby! He's good as new! Ha! Yeah!
Well, hello there, friends.
I am in a Traxxas truck. It's 600 horsepower, and there's ramps involved.
The double boost, the triple boost, the quad boost, and this is Superman speed. And try to be safe. Better visual.
All right, Ty, go ahead.
So dangerous. Such a nice, pretty new car.
Dude, I bet that went right next to the GoPro. I thought you were going to hit my tires. This is the most fun day I've had in a long time. This is any kid's dream. It's my dream, too, I think. We got our ramp, and we got our goal. Time for an NBA three-pointer. Let's do it. From downtown!
Tyler Tony, put it up and put it in.
It's good!
Bang!
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the high-speed nutmeg. Let's do it, Coach. This would be dangerous.
In this world
Well, the ramp was about at 125. We realized the world record was like 172, so we said move it back 50 feet.
What's up, yos? It's your boy T. We're just hanging out on top of an 18 Wii, getting ready to jump an RC.
Friends, family, loved ones, subscribers at home, this is the world's longest RC car jump. Gentlemen, are you ready? Let's do it! Here we go! 3, 2, 1, good! That's a good job! Come on! Yeah!
Ladies and gentlemen, that is a new world record! Cody! Oh my gosh!
I finally did something cool! I am not kidding you. I think God blew a breath of air because it was flying so far.
Ladies and gentlemen, the official measurement for the new world record, 197 feet!
Yeah! I did not do a thing, guys. I mean, I literally did nothing, and I'm so excited.
What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. To see all the great cars that we used in this video and more, make sure you head to Traxxas.com. If you want to check out our sweet new merch line, snapbacks, shirts, posters, and more, check that out right here. Signing off for now, Cobes. Hit him with a pound. Core, hit him with a nogs. Cuz, hit him with a card throw. Time, hit us with an electric guitar solo.